welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope it's a awesome day. I'm having a fantastic day. So today I'm going to be teaching you dogs how to make DIY fidgets. And yeah. So first one is going to be a marble mesh. Some people use plastic bags to make their marble mesh, but I'm going to be using hard plastic, and it's like a little bag of hard plastic. So let me show you it. So here it is. It's like hard plastic, but not hard. So I'm thinking of a galaxy themed, so I'm going to go get the galaxy beads. Also, you can use marbles or Orbeez or anything like that, but I really wouldn't recommend Orbeez because they will pop and they won't be a marble mesh anymore. 3, 2, 1. Here are my beads. That was a weird transformation. I did have some blue ones, but I think they fell in the couch in there, so we'll just be using pink and purple. So if you're wondering how many beads do you think you should use, I only use 6, but for today I'm going to be using 4. Well, I made my marble mesh today, and I had 6 of them, but my other one, like I said, fell on the couch, so I'm going to be using 4. 2 pink and 2 purple. So no blue for today. So for this galaxy theme, let's just go ahead and put them in here. So we have to just take this out, if I can do this with one hand. Hold on. If I can even get it. Okay, there we go. So I opened it right here. And right here, I'm going to put the beads in. So I'm going to do that in 3, 2, 1, go. So we have the beads in there. And this, you don't have to use these colors, but the next item and I'm going to put in here is an option. You don't have to use this, but if you'd like to, you can, because that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to, since I'm going for a galaxy themed, I don't want people to think I'm going for cotton candy. So I'm going to put a star bead. And it's a bead because, where'd it go? Right there. So, yep, I'm going to put that in. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. So, now I'm just going to close it. But if you have a zippy bag or anything like that, then just put the beads in. Make sure to cut off the excess or something. So, yeah, and then just glue it or something, and you have a marble mesh. Also, if you notice, my marble mesh is in a square bag, not a rectangle. So, I just closed it up so they won't fall out. And yeah, I can just shake them and all that. I love to shake them and stuff. And then just touch them, and it's really fun. It always makes a really cool ASMR sound. I love marble meshes that are DIY, but the only thing I don't like about DIY marble meshes is that they're really hard to move and stuff. They might not look so hard on camera, but trust me, they're very, very hard. I can't even put my finger through one. Ready, set. I can't. It's so hard, but I really, really like these though. And I really recommend to make it, even though I was just complaining about them. I just really, really love these. The regular marble mesh aren't hard though. I really like these though. That's why I said no Orbeez, because you'd probably smash them or something. But marbles, regular marbles, would be really cool. But I'd recommend 1 marble or 2, not 4 or 6. So now it's time for the next DIY fidget hack. Goodbye, marble mesh. So this is what the next one's gonna look like. Now let me just show you the tutorial, how to make it. So you're gonna take this plastic bag, and it was really hard for me to do, so if you have some problems, don't worry. So here's some scissors, because you're gonna need them. And just cut right here, all the way through. It took me a long time, so I'm just gonna try this again. Or just try to do this. It's gonna be so hard. Okay. let's get started, dogs. So I made a little slit, so now I'm gonna break it through. So now I just like ripped it, so it's still a little bit of excess, so I'm just gonna cut that. It wasn't that hard when I did it this time, and this is a leftover, and then there's also some of that. If you're doing this hack and if you haven't made this yet, you can actually just use this little plastic piece to put your beads in, and you can put more if you'd like, and it just hot glue it or just glue it with regular glue if it sticks, and then there you go. So yeah, so it should look like this. I still have a tiny bit of excess left, but I'm just gonna leave it. My finished one had a little bit of that as well, so yeah. Next is open it. So like, you know how you can open it right here? Well, you're gonna do that. I'll have to put the camera down to do that though. I was opening it the wrong way, so that's how it's not working. So I opened it a little bit, so let's just open it all the way. There we go. You can either just leave it like this and just like do the trend where you just snap, snap, snap. That's on TikTok. But I'm not going to be doing that because it never works for me. And you're going to just take your hands and just cut through this, or just like rip it and rip it on that side as well. No, don't rip on this side, but just rip on one side, like rip this apart. Like, let me just take my foot so you can see. Just like that. That was kind of weird. And you can also make letters and stuff with it, but this is what it's supposed to look like. So just put them together, and it's kind of like I call it a slithery track, but basically you just do this and all that. I don't know how to do it how the professionals do it. Well, I actually just made this myself, but the other ones are like when they have this little thing and they slide it. I don't know how to do that. I'm not a professional, so they're probably doing so much better than me. But here we go. You could just leave it, though, like how it was earlier, but yeah. And then you can also just, like, make different letters with it and stuff. So, yeah. Now I'm for the next fidget hack. This one's not really a fidget hack. It's basically just Orbeez in a bag. So, I don't really need to give you these instructions, but here it is. I have some big Orbeez and one little tiny one, which I always get distracted with the tiny one. This is a clear ball and it looks black, but see that clear one? It's clear. And I just love like putting my hands through these and then just squishing it and just I just really love messing with it. And then the little one, I just love it so much. Like, let me just zoom in real quick at it. Look how cute it is. He's running away. Come back here. Come back here. Where'd you go? No. No. I'll put one over there. The next hack is I don't really have a copy. I mean, I have it finished results, but I don't have the stuff to make it right now. I do, but it's like going to take a long time. But basically, crushed up Orbeez in 3 layers of a sticky tape. And then you just use some little staplers in it. So let me just show you what it looks like. Let me see if I can find it. I have this big fidget bag, which I am going to be doing a fidget haul in December or January. So here it is, and it's like this little squishy. I think I'm gonna have to make a new one because this one, I think that marble, the stuff came out. I'm gonna open it because I'm gonna make me a new one later today when I make my next video. So, let me go open it. I made a little rip, so I'm just gonna use my foot so I can show you guys. Guys, it's not working. I literally can't open it, so I'm gonna have to use scissors. It literally feels like I'm doing that TikTok trend on this person where they're cutting fruits, like emergency. It's literally, that's what it feels like. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna do part 2 in the next video. Bye.